'Cause you're my pretty definition of beauty. Pretty girl, you make everything feel alright. Pretty girl, pretty as the stars in the sky. Belt of Orion, the way we're alive. And heaven knows that it breaks my soul. Oh, oh, oh. When you don't know you're beautiful, and I won't let it go. Oh, oh, oh. I need you to know that you're my pretty definition of beauty. And out of everything I've seen, nothing can compete with you, my yeah, the sun has good taste. He's peeking through the blinders just to get a glimpse of your face. And he traveled quite a ways, 90 million miles to see what I get to see every day. Hey, darling, you're beautiful in every single way, and there's nothing I'd change. Hey, my love stays the same. 'Cause definition of beauty. And out of everything I've seen, nothing can compete with
Babe, thank you for accepting and loving me. Kahit toyoin, tupakin, moody. Basta ikaw lang yung nakakaalam kung paano i-handle yung mood ko. Thank you so much and I can't wait to live. Hindi ko na alam. Ulit yun.
Classmate ko siya since high school.
High school classmates and high school friends na kami ni Groom. Then we met on 2019 and then doon na nag-start yung aming love story. Fast forward kasi lahat ng nangyari sa amin. And then after a year, we became a couple.
I didn't know what I was looking for.
I can't wait to start. Hindi ko na din talaga alam.
Parang gano'n.
Ako ganun. Cheesy.
I'm a mess. There was nothing about that love that made sense. I was stressed. From many miles, trying to find love from a woman that could love me and never leave my side. And I've run for many miles, trying to get away from the things I'm afraid of and everything inside. They said that we're already done, but what does that even mean? You tell me to open my eyes, thank God it was just a dream. I guess that's how you know that it's love, when you're scared to death to leave. You said that you never leave, baby.
Yung pinaka gusto ko kasi sa kanya, yung medyo bad boy look niya, tapos nalakas kasi ng appeal niya sa mga babae. So parang feel ko, pag ako yung naging girlfriend niya, parang privilege ko na yung isang gwapo niya, di ba?
Una, syempre maganda. Mabait, responsible, loving. Di lang sa akin, pati rin sa family ko. Caring, napaka-caring.